Everyone always says quality over quantity, and we've got the tools to make that happen. Have you ever filmed an entire video, loaded it into CapCut, and realized that the entire thing was blurry? Or maybe that your audio was full of echoes and fuzz? Before you break out the tripod to refilm that video, let me show you some options to improve the quality without any do-overs. I'm gonna walk you through CapCut's one-click tools to turn your video from a low-quality mess to an HD success. But before we get into it, you're subscribed to CapCut's YouTube channel, right? We post a ton of tutorials for content creators like you, and I don't want you to miss a thing. All right, let's go ahead and get started on the CapCut mobile app. Okay, so your video is blurry, noisy, or you just want to give it a boost. CapCut has a bunch of video quality tools to help you out. Let's go ahead and tap on the video quality button here at the bottom. Within this menu, I can increase the image quality, bringing my low quality video all the way up to HD. I can also use super resolution to lift it up to 4K. I do this a lot when I'm adding clips to my video that are a bit lower quality. Check out this before and after. It's like I went from shooting on a normal old phone to a $5,000 cinema camera. If your image is more noisy, you can reduce that here as well, or you can remove flickers. Increasing your optimal flow will also help your video's quality, especially if you're working with a lot of slow motion footage. Optical flow is all about making your video's playback smoother, which ultimately will lead to a higher quality video. But speaking of slow motion, there's another tool I want to show you. I find that working with slow motion footage can often be choppy or blurry, and this tool helps a lot with that. Let's head into the speed menu and then tap normal. From here, I can change the speed of my video and make everything move more quickly or slow everything down. Let's move it to 0.5 times speed and then go down to the smooth slow-mo tool to refine it all. Using this tool, I can make my slow motion clip better quality or process more quickly. Take a look at my slow motion clip without using this tool and then when I do use the tool. See how much better my video flows? There isn't any choppiness or blur. It's just prime, smooth slow-mo. Now that we've got our video quality sorted out, what about audio? There is nothing worse than recording a bunch of voiceover and then listening back to it and just hearing an echoey, noisy mess. To enhance my audio, I'll head into the Enhance Voice menu and then use the slider to clean up my sound. Play around with the level here because it's not always necessary to take it all the way to 100. If you're merely looking to reduce background noise and fuzz, head into the Reduce Noise menu and turn that slider on. Let's take a listen to my unedited raw audio.
Maintaining an active lifestyle has been so good for my mental health.
And here is my new and improved high quality audio.
Maintaining an active lifestyle has been so good for my mental health.
The days of reshooting low-quality videos are over thanks to CapCut. Before setting up your camera again, try out these tools and let us know what you think. It has never been easier to post great quality videos to engage and activate your audience. It's pretty hard to get people to stop for a blurry video or a video with muffled audio. But with these tools, I have no doubt that you'll be able to hook in your audience with ease. Let us know what you want to learn more about and drop any questions you have in the comments below. We are here to help. And with that, I will catch you next time. Bye.